Hello everyone, welcome back to my another new video. If you are having trouble creating tags in Asana, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll go through a common reason why you might be facing this issue and how to fix them. Actually, Asana is a fantastic project management tool, but sometimes users run into issues when trying to create tags. So let's dive into the most common problems and the solution. So first I identify the problem is the permission. Guys, if you don't have the right permission, you're not able to create tags in project. So ask the project owner to grant you the necessary permission. Second, network issue. So a weak or unstable internet connection can prevent you from creating tags. So, guys, check your internet connection and try refreshing the page. The third one is browser compatibility. Com- so, Asana works best with certain browser and the latest version. So, guys, please update your browser or try using a different one than the fourth one. So Asana system status. Sometimes Asana may be experiencing outages or technical difficulties. So visit Asana status page or their Twitter account to check for outages. Then the fifth one, browser intention. Browser extensions. Certain extension can interfere with Asana's functionality. So disable browser extension, then try ignore mode. And the sixth one, API limit. If you are using tools like ManyChat to create tags in Asana, you might hit API limit. So check the integration tools configuration and logs for error message. And the seventh problem. So guys, make sure you are trying to create the tags in the correct project and workspace. Verify the project name and workspace to avoid confusion. And the last one, validation. Make sure all required fields are correctly filled out. Please check for any validation error in the tax creation. So there you have it. These are some common reasons why you might be unable to create tags in Asana and how to fix them. If you found this video helpful, please give it to a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel. For more tips and tutorials, leave a comment below if you have any question or other issues you would like to us to cover.